Kale, for good mental health. The connection between diet and your mental well-being. Kale, a dark leafy green vegetable, has been widely recognized for its numerous health benefits. In recent years, there has been increasing interest in the connection between diet and mental health. Many studies suggest that what we eat can have a significant impact on our mental well-being. We will explore the potential benefits of kale for mental health and discuss the underlying mechanisms that contribute to its positive effects. Firstly, kale is rich in nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. These nutrients are essential for maintaining optimal brain function and overall mental health. For example, vitamin C has been shown to reduce symptoms of stress by reducing the levels of stress hormones in the body. Similarly, vitamin K has been linked to improved cognitive function and memory. Furthermore, kale contains high levels of antioxidants, including beta-carotene and flavonoids. Antioxidants play a crucial role in protecting our brains from oxidative stress, which can lead to mental decline and neurodegenerative diseases. Studies have shown that a diet rich in antioxidant-rich foods, such as kale, may help prevent conditions like Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Moreover, kale is an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a vital role in the production of neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine. These neurotransmitters are responsible for regulating mood and emotions. Low levels of folate have been associated with an increased risk of depression and anxiety disorders. By consuming kale and other folate-rich foods, individuals can support their mental well-being by ensuring proper neurotransmitter balance. In addition to its nutritional value, kale also contains compounds called glucosinolates. These compounds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. Chronic inflammation in the body has been linked to various mental health disorders, including depression and anxiety. By incorporating kale into their diet, individuals can potentially reduce inflammation and promote better mental health. Furthermore, kale is a rich source of fiber, which plays an important role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Recent research has highlighted the significant influence of gut health on mental well-being. The gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication system between the gut and the brain, with the gut microbiota playing a crucial role. A healthy gut microbiome has been associated with improved mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. By promoting a healthy gut through fiber-rich foods like kale, individuals can positively impact their mental health. Additionally, kale's low caloric content and high nutrient density make it an ideal food for weight management. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of mental health disorders, including depression. By maintaining a healthy weight through a balanced diet that includes kale, individuals can reduce their risk of mental health issues associated with obesity. Moreover, it is important to note that incorporating kale into one's diet should be seen as part of an overall healthy lifestyle rather than a magic bullet for mental health. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management are equally important factors in maintaining optimal mental well-being. A holistic approach that combines these lifestyle factors with a nutrient-rich diet, including kale, can have a profound positive impact on mental health. In conclusion, the connection between diet and mental health is becoming increasingly evident. Kale, with its abundance of nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, holds great potential for promoting mental well-being. By incorporating kale into their diet, individuals can support brain function, reduce oxidative stress, balance neurotransmitter levels, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. However, it is important to remember that a balanced lifestyle that includes exercise, sufficient sleep, and stress management is key to achieving optimal mental health. I hope this information on kale and your mental health was helpful. If so, please hit the like button. For more tips and topics on kale, kale diets, kale smoothies, kale recipes, and healthy eating with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's change our life by changing our eating habits.